Okay, so the first step in learning a handstand, the first thing we've got to do is to make sure that our shoulder complex is as strong as our hip complex, so that being on your hands is as easy as being on your feet. Okay, so we're going to do that in a way that's completely safe. Set your distance, arm's length, look down at your feet and put your hands roughly where your feet were. Second finger's pointing straight ahead, and you want to look in between the hands. Take your favourite leg and begin to walk up the wall. And just hang about here. Feel your triceps tucking in towards the ears. Maybe get into a little bit of lifting off the wall. Only one leg. Do not lift two legs. But this is really just to keep you busy while you build strength into your shoulders. Okay? Come down, stretch it out. Enjoy a little bit of a rush here. Okay? So you want to do that for quite a few days, really. Until you can comfortably hold, I'd say at least 10 breaths. Okay, so I'll go up for a second set just for 10 breaths. What you can do when you get stronger is walk in and up, but don't go past the point of no return. That's 3, 4, 5, I'm going to change, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You must have enough strength to walk away. So don't get overtired when you're close to the wall and not have enough strength to walk away and come down. Okay?